olvide que te suscribas. This is going to be an English video, va a ser un video en inglés o kind of Spanglish, así que suscríbanse si no se han suscrito. Y pues we're going to be doing this look today, which I got inspired by this picture. If you guys like this look and how it turned out, even though it's not exactly the same because I am not a makeup artist, we'll keep on watching, guys. Estar usando este. So I got this in my BoxyCharm. For those of you, whoa, it's like slimy. For those of you who don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly subscription program. You do pay $21 a month. And they have a different type of programs. You pay a little bit more and you get over 300. The one I'm actually subscribed to that one, but the one that they usually it's $21 a month. You get a variety of products. Oh my god, this feels so good. I feel like this is gonna be as good as Becca because of the texture. They sent me one in Noyah Cosmetics. I'll link the video down below. The CoverGirl. Okay guys, and I'm going to be putting the colors as I use them here in a picture. So this is the palette that I'm using right now. Y nomás estoy sellando el corrector con este color. This is going to be like a Spanglish. So now with the same brush, I woke up my kid, you guys. With the same brush, I wrapped a little bit of this color yellow, and I'm just going to be blending out on top. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to be grabbing some concealer, and this is from ColourPop. I'm just going to be cleaning a little bit. I'll be using Party Animal from L'Oreal. Okay, you guys, I'm going to be using Cute as Fuck. The yellow range out. I'm just going to get some of the yellow and do a little line. Just to straighten it out a little bit and make it more noticeable. Oh yeah, that's noticeable. Because I didn't like the way I did the line with the concealer, so. The hardest part for me is to do eyeliners, so if I mess this whole thing up, I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be using my Girl Latic liner because I just love the way the line does it. But since it's out, getting it wet was a different one. Oh my god, I'm so scared, super scared, like terrified. I suck at eyeliner. So the perfect eyeliner, you have to do a straight line and then go down. Okay. We're going to be using a Profusion eyeliner because that one is all gone and it's going to put my trying to take the eyeliner out and the line's not. So I'm going all over the place. Now we're going to be adding some glitter on the eyes to finish this look. Okay, guys. Mientras se secan los brillitos, voy a estar usando este polvo de Fit Me que la neta me emocionó mucho, no sabía que lo tenía, para estar siguiendo el maquillaje que me había echado hace rato. Así que se le saca un chingo. ¿Qué pasó? Leves, por eso no hago videos, porque se me olvida que no estoy grabando o que estoy grabando. Este se llama Carpy Coast, es de Noyah Cosmetics, me encanta. Como ven, no se nota tanto como ahorita que me lo eché, pero sí se nota la diferencia. Ahorita les estaba diciendo, deja regreso al video para que vean, pero pues no estaba grabando. Como pueden ver, esta nariz está más marcada. Neta, cuando se maquilla no ocupa ni tantas brochas. Miren, yo uso las mismas pinches brochas para todo. Nomás asegúrense que... Bueno, este nomás usé para hacerse. Y ahorita que me estoy echando el bronze. Pero si usan las mismas brochas para todo, van a parecer pinches payasos. ¿Verdad, mi amor? Ahora vamos a estarnos aplicando estas pestañas de Get Lashed. Now that that's done, I'm going to be applying a little bit of brown eyeshadow underneath to make the yellow stand out. I'm not going to use yellow at all. I'm going to use brown. With the same brush, I'm just going to use the corner of it and apply a highlight. And I want actually a lot of noticeable highlights, so I use the I don't know what it's called, the Ofra one, which is kind of like white. I got this in my Ipsy, and this is from Lord Berry, and I really like the color because it's like an orangey color, so this is what I'm going to be adding. Va a ser rimen abajo. Spray, but I don't have it in this room. I have it in my other room, and I really don't want to go get it. But this is the final look. Well guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and well, eso fue todo para este video. No se les olvide suscribirse aquí abajo y los veo en mi próximo video. Bye.